Okay, now we're going to move on to defining polynomials. Okay, so I'm going to split this in half. On the left side, we're going to talk about types of polynomials. Oops, sorry, let me put that in the frame. There you go, types of polynomials. All right, the first type we have is a monomial. It only has one term. It has no pluses or minuses in it. So you might want to put no add or subtract in this. That's how we know it's a monomial. So for example, 5, that's a monomial. 2b to the third, that's a monomial. 3c squared b to the fifth, that's a monomial. They're all monomials. A binomial has two terms. Terms are separated by plus or minus. So in this case, a plus 3, that's a binomial. 6 minus w squared y, that's a binomial. Okay, let's talk about trinomials. That has three terms. So for example, I'm going to put these on two different levels. 2x squared plus 3x plus 4, that's 1, 2, 3 terms. Another one, 3x y to the third plus 10xy minus 7, that's 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Okay, anything past that, there are other names, but we usually stick to those 3. After that, you can just call them polynomials. All right, now let's talk about a degree of a polynomial. So the way to do this is you're going to, oh, let me give you a chance to write that. You can always pause it. Add up the exponents in each term and choose the highest. And that's the degree. Okay? So let me do this little table here. Polynomial. Whoops, I spelled that wrong. N-O. Oh, I hate when I mess up my book. Polynomial, that's supposed to be an N. And degree. Okay? So let's look at this first one. 4x squared y plus 3xy z to the fifth. Now before I even start this, I put in my invisible ones. So here's an invisible one, here's an invisible one, and here's an invisible one. And in each one of these, I'm going to add up my exponents. So here I have 2 plus 1, so this is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. Which one's higher, 3 or 7th? 7, so this is a 7th degree polynomial. Okay, let's do another one. I'll do 3 of them to have in your book for examples. If you want more examples, you can always put more up here. Okay, so 3x plus 4y to the fifth plus 7. Okay, let's do each one. Again, I'm going to make my invisible ones visible first before I get started. Okay, and then under each term, I'm going to write the degree. So this is a first degree. This is a 5th degree. Well, because there's no x on this one, this is a 0 degree. So what's my highest number? 5th degree. So this is a 5th degree polynomial. Let's do one more. 42xy z to the third. This only has one term. So whatever this degree is in this term, that's the degree of the whole thing. Invisible ones. And then 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. So this is also a 5th degree polynomial. Okay, so that's the page on defining polynomials.